Model, 60-plate Ford Transit 2.4, TDCi 100 T350 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive, spares OR repairs, needs engine repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 175,000. MOT, the 18th of April 2025. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, spares repairs. The engine has been removed and is in the back of the van. All of the parts are there, nothing is missing, could repair or stick another engine in it. Totally up to you, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, full service history, electric windows, tow